Good morning and welcome again with another video. Today I will fix Fastag to my car, and Fastag is a must nowadays. So there are different procedures to install a Fastag. You can buy from Paytm, you can buy from any TC website also, but I have purchased it from HDFC bank. Since my earlier car was fitted with Fastag, so I had a balance remaining in that earlier wallet. So what is the procedure I want to tell to all my friends, so they can easily transfer their previous earlier Fastag balance to the new vehicle Fastag balance. So the first step will be, while you sell your car, you must close your Fastag account. The earlier Fastag account needs to be closed by calling the customer care, and they will inform you through SMS that the earlier account has been closed, and you can check in your bank details that they have transferred the deposit money of the earlier Fastag account. Now your Fastag account remains suspended. Now once you buy your new car, simply log in with the same phone number with which you have created the earlier Fastag account. So you need to apply for a fresh Fastag with the same phone number with which you have created the earlier Fastag account, and once you enter your account, simply put in the details of your car and your Fastag application will be accepted. And once it's accepted, a new Fastag will be sent to your home like this. A new Fastag account will be sent to your home, and as you will find that the wallet number remains the same. Your wallet number remains the same, and this is the Fastag. Your wallet number remains the same, and the earlier balance, if any, has been transferred to your new Fastag. So all your balances will get accumulated in your new Fastag. Now I will fix the Fastag in my new Tata Altroz. The procedure is very simple. Normally you will find that it is recommended to install the Fastag in the middle of your windscreen, but since Tata Altroz is having range sensors and your temperature sensors in your windscreen, so it is very difficult to install in this particular place, as it may create an obstruction and it will look awkward. So I have selected this area to be the best, and it is nearly the center, and it can be easily identified by the Fastag sensors in your toll gate. So this is the best place to be fitted. So before fitting, what I will do, I will clean this area with an isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol, I will spray it generously. Isopropyl alcohol is absolutely safe with your upholstery and any areas, so you can spray generously. And I will take a tissue paper and clean this area. It has been cleaned, and a microfiber cloth. Now I will fix the Fastag. Always remember, it will be fitted in this way. The front will be here. So don't forget that this is the Fastag, and it will be fitted in this orientation. So the front side will be on the glass. So let me open it. This is the Fastag, the RFID tag, and it has been fitted. So in this way you fix your Fastag in your vehicle, especially Tata Altroz. This is the best position of fitting the Fastag. So in this way I fit the Fastag. Let me show you from the front side how it looks. So there is the Fastag, and it's easily visible, and it will be easily visible. Okay, so that's it. This is the way you can simply install your Fastag in your vehicle.